Hey. Okay, so this one's Queen. And she's a love machine. And she's only really been jumping on me when I've asked for her to. She came out and immediately went to the bathroom, sniffed all around, sniffed all the smells. But like when I stand up and I go, hey, come here. Come here. You want to touch it? You want to touch it? Huh? Yeah. I haven't gotten any kisses though. I get kisses. But very sweet, very soft. Huh, come on. Get it. Oh, you want some spankings? You want some spankings? Oh, yeah. Oh. So, I'm gonna see Blueberry next.